Insurance is a racket. They steal your money, then they break your heart. First there's a shark in a sports jacket, smiling like a crocodile right from the start. Want you to gamble a pile of money, betting that Chicken Little might be right. But when the sky starts to fall in, the shark in the sports jacket's nowhere in sight. So if you're sliding off your piece of the slippery rock, oh, the good hands have grabbed you and cleaned your clock. Your good neighbors moved away and took your lawnmower. Your bank book and outlook couldn't get lower. Turn away from the liquor, turn away from the drugs, turn into your agent's driveway and loosen up all of his lugs. Let your dog poop on all of his rugs, fill up his pajamas with bugs. They're just bookies with good lawyers who spend every Wednesday at the Rotary Club. But don't you let them into your foyer. They wear your patience right down to the nub. They're selling doomsday and devastation.
We are in Joost Van Dyke, Great Harbor, known as Foxy's Harbor. We cleared customs at this island.
I've gone and shit around in Foxy. I control everything now.
Oh, I thought you always controlled everything. No.
Just last year, I got 6 acres of land.
Devastation, all manner of pestilence, famine and flood. But when push comes to shove, you might as well be squeezing turnips looking for blood. So if you're sliding off your piece of the slippery rock, oh, the good hands have grabbed you and cleaned your 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, some people leg up cruising down the internet. You got your email fanatics with the lazy jets, who fax you all the answers to life's mysteries with digital precision to the nth degree. You got your PC groupies with their little mouse pads with megabytes of memory that you never had. Double-sided micro disc, heavy density. Pray to the icon, it will set you free. With me, I'm on the information dirt road. There's data that I'll never download. I'm out of the loop and I'm out in the cold. I'm on the information dirt road. I've been on voicemail journeys to hell and back without learning one single cold hard fact. For service, press 1. For parts, press 2. For a human, hold your breath until your face turns blue.
1, 2, 3. Wow! I think I told you during this race when I was in college. We raced little boats.
Well, my next door neighbor put him up a satellite dish. Now he pulls in more channels than you could ever wish for. TNN and CNN and MTV. He can tell you what the weather's like in southern Hungary. I see all these people driving around with cellular phones, with too much to talk about to wait till they get home. I can't imagine what it is they really have to say. They must all have laryngitis by the end of the day. With me, I'm on the information dirt road. With data that
heading to Cane Garden Bay, not the Bomber Shack. Don is on the helm. We got 13, 14 knots of wind.
Our situation so absurd. They tried the devil in innocence disguised. Oh, but they crucified the children of the ever most high. Oh, what a mix up world we're living in.
Okay.
They tried the devil in innocence disguised. Oh, but they crucified the children of the ever most high. Oh, what a mix up world we're living in. Yeah, it's a mix up world we're living in. Yeah, now some rise to power by spilling blood of a brother. For them to be great and cup their people with hunger. Join in arms race, everyone wanna be world leader. Join in arms race, they all want to rule this world. This mix up, world we're living in. Yeah, this mix up world we living in. Yeah, it's a ball of confusion. World we living in. World we living in. Mix up
Peter Island Resort.
world we living in.
Which occupies all of Peter Island. Just motored in the channel and ducked our boat at a slip. That's dinner at 6:30.
Join in arms race, everyone wanna be world leader. Join in arms race, they all want to rule this, swallow this up. Mix up world we're living in. Yeah, it's a mix up world we're living in. Yeah, now. Mix up, world we're living in. Yes, there's a mix up, world we're living in. Yeah. The cart is leading the horse, greed is forced, morality is lost, and take success at any cost. Crazy, 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 crazy.
Lost out at sea and the rest of us left here behind, trying to find a little sense in it all. People ask me, why aren't you climbing the corporate ladder, making insurance agents and their bank accounts fatter? Whatever happened to your ambition? My ambition is to just go fishing off the back of a sailboat, reaching for ports unknown. So haul up the anchor and hoist up the main. Get the pointy end pointed to another southern sea horizon again. We ain't gonna go where coconuts don't grow. Put the North Star at your back, you'll be right on track for life. People say keep your eye on the ball and your nose to the grindstone. You'll die with more toys than anyone else owns, but you can't own what God gives away. The sun and the sea and the wind and the waves, they're there for the taking. It just means breaking away. So haul up the anchor and hoist up the main. Get the pointy end pointed to another southern sea. Horizon
Drive around St. John Island.
Okay,
We picked up a Jeep.
right after Neil Bay that I said was
Twig is driving or pointing or aiming.
Here's Trunk Bay. This is called Cinnamon Bay.
Don't wanna be rich and famous, but I spend enough time being poor. Don't wanna be notorious and heinous. I wanna be rich and obscure. Don't wanna be smiling on the cover of a magazine, my teeth all covered with Vaseline, waving from the back of my limousine. I don't need 15 minutes of fame. Don't wanna deal with the plague of the paparazzi, turn myself into a wealthy Nazi, all tragically hip and hotsy-totsy, known only by my first name. Don't wanna be rich and famous, but I spend enough time being poor. Don't wanna be notorious and heinous.